to the second power, you say it is squared. So for example, like this. And we are going to represent it as s with an s. So this will be s times s. That is s squared. And when it is to the power of 3, you say it is cubed. So you put it like this. S, S, and S. So it is S times S times S, S cubed. Okay, so for example, here. You have a kind of square, but with dots. So you see that you have 3 dots horizontal and 3 dots vertical. So this would be 3 to the power of 2. Why? Because it is 3 times 3, 3 times 3, and this is the same as this. So, when you have a negative, it's the same thing. You do this. Minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, and this would be minus 8. And it is exactly the same with fractions, for example, here. So you use this 2 times because it is squared. So 2/3 times 2/3 equal 4/9. Thank you. My name is Camila Solis and I'm going to explain you difference of cubes. So the formula is, for difference of cubes is open parenthesis a minus b close parenthesis, the open parenthesis, a squared plus ab there is a minus, plus b squared, and you close parenthesis. So the steps are, first you open 2 parentheses, then you put the signs, then you take the cube root, out of the first and the second term that are this one. Okay, and finally, in the second parenthesis, you put the first term to the power of 2, then you multiply both terms, A and B, and then you put the second term to the power of 2. So I am going to do example. Okay, so if you multiply 4x times 4x times 4x, this can be represented in like this. 4x cubed. And in here will be the same. This can be represented as this. So, like it says in the steps, we open two parentheses, we put the sign, so we take the cube root out of these numbers, like this. And we get rid of them. So the cube root of 3 is 3. And of 4x is 4x. Okay, so then we put the first term to the power of 2. So it will be like this. Then we multiply the first term by the second term. And we first multiply the numbers and the variables. So this will be 12x. And then we put the second term to the power of 2. So, 4 times 4, it will be 16x plus 12x plus, and 3 times 3 will be 9.